So I'm here with Alan with his 2001 Grand Prix. Alan's owned the car pretty much since new. He brought it to us to pretty much do a restoration, and he says, "Oh, I know it's a newer car, but can you do it?" I said, "Absolutely." I said, "We love any type of car. We love doing cars. So whatever the car is, we love it. If the customer loves it, we love it." And as you can see, the car came out amazing. Alan's got a supercharger in it. We upgraded the brakes, put the stripes on the car. Even though it's a newer car, it was a restored car, and in my opinion, probably the nicest Pontiac on the road right now. Alan, what do you think, and what's your thoughts about it?
Incredible. I had a vision of what I wanted the car to look like, and they just made it come true. They got the colors right, the stripes right, new suspension on it that handles beautiful. It's perfect. It'll be with me for many years.
Awesome. Alan, thank you for letting us do it.
Thank you, Gene. Thank you.